Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing and enabling Linkclump in Chrome. This is the only way we'll proceed. Once installed, pin the icon so you can open Options quickly. Open Options now and focus on hotkeys and selection mode. These let you control how Linkclump selects links. Make sure you set a modifier key, Control or Shift, because that determines whether you drag, right drag, or left drag to collect links. This initial setup prevents accidental selections later. Once done with the basics, configure how Linkclump behaves when you drag. You'll pick a drag key and decide whether links open in new tabs, copy to clipboard, or trigger a custom action. Choose based on your workflow. Then refine filters. Include only HTTP/HTTPS, exclude images or PDFs, or limit to a domain. Make sure to test on a results page. Drag across 5-10 links to confirm it opens tabs, copies, or performs the custom operation. Finish by refining and testing across sites. Adjust delay, tab focus, and whether tabs open in background or foreground so your workflow stays smooth. If something breaks, restart Chrome and disable extensions that hijack mouse or drag events. Those often conflict. Make sure you haven't set conflicting hotkeys in Chrome or another extension. If needed, reset Linkclump options and reapply your profile. Finally, save or export settings for future use so you don't repeat configuration steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.